Hi there, I am Ismail from Pearl Lemon. One of the most common SEO mistakes is focusing only on content quality. People assume that if their content is more detailed, more accurate, or longer, it should rank higher. But Google doesn't only rank good content, Google ranks the right format of content. If your format doesn't match what Google expects for that query, even excellent content can struggle to rank. Today, we'll look at why format match matters so much in SEO. Format match means your page matches the content structure users expect when they search. For example, some searches expect lists, some expect step by step guides, some expect definitions, some expect tool comparisons, and some expect checklists. Google learns these expectations by analyzing user behavior and previous search results. If your content format doesn't match that expectation, Google may simply rank pages that do. Let's look at a typical example. If someone searches for best email marketing tools, they are not looking for one tool explained in detail. They want a list of options. That's why most results will look like, for example, 10 best email marketing tools, 15 best email platforms compared, top email marketing software. If you publish a single product review, even a great one, it probably won't rank for this query because format does not match intent. Now, consider a different type of search. If someone searches what is technical SEO, they want a clear explanation. So the dominant format will usually include a short definition, a simple explanation, and maybe a few examples. If your page jumps straight into a 10,000 word advanced guide, it may miss the intent. Google prefers pages that answer the question quickly and clearly. Another example is checklist searches. If someone searches SEO audit checklist, they want something they can scan and follow. So the dominant format will include bullet points, clear steps, sections for different checks. If your page is written like a long essay, it may struggle to compete against pages designed for quick reference. The easiest way to detect format is simply to analyze the SERP, that's the search ranking page. Search your target keyword and examine the top results. Ask questions like: are most results lists? Are they step by step guides? Are they short definitions? Do they use tables or comparisons? If the majority of results follow the same structure, that's a strong signal that Google prefers that format. Imagine targeting the keyword SEO tools. If you write an essay about the importance of SEO tools, it may be informative, but it's not what the users want. People searching this term usually want a list of tools, feature comparisons, and recommendations. If your format doesn't provide that, Google may prioritize pages that do. Google's job is to satisfy the searcher as quickly as possible. Formats like lists, checklists, and definitions often make information easier to scan. So, Google naturally prioritizes structures that help users get answers faster. This means format becomes a ranking factor indirectly through user satisfaction. A simple process can prevent format mismatch. Before creating a page, first search the keyword, then analyze the top results, identify the dominant format, and finally create content that matches or improves that structure. This small step can dramatically increase your chances of ranking. To summarize, SEO success isn't just about writing more content or better content. It's about creating in the format that the search engine expects for that query. So, when your format matches users' expectations, your chances of ranking increase dramatically. Before writing your next page, always ask: what format does Google already prefer in this search? You cannot force intent. You cannot say that you want leads from an informational keyword. It doesn't work like that. But that informational keyword that can lead to traffic, that can lead to leads. You get them up in a funnel and you use that traffic to churn out the more serious inquirers among them. But you cannot put the cart before the horse. If you found this information to be valuable, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.